Looking for a budget-friendly smartphone that doesn't compromise on quality? The Xiaomi Redmi Note 12 Pro might be just what you need. This smartphone is touted as the best budget Xiaomi phone in 2023, and it's easy to see why. While the Note 12 Pro Plus steals most of the attention with its 200-megapixel camera, this cheaper alternative is nothing to scoff at. The Note 12 Pro is aesthetically pleasing with its almost identical design to the 12 Pro Plus. It looks and feels like a flagship smartphone, with the only notable difference being the glass back. Unlike the standard Gorilla Glass standard and high-end phones, the Note 12 Pro Glass Black is more susceptible to damage. However, the smartphone has an IP53 rating, making it resistant to dust and splashes of water. The smartphone comes with a silicone case included in the box, which adds extra grip to your device. The phone doesn't feature an on-screen fingerprint sensor. Instead, it relies on a physical sensor built into the power button. While this is a slightly less convenient, it's still easy to set up and more reliable to use. You will also be pleasantly surprised that the phone is retained a 3.5mm audio jack, making it still usable with great wired headphones that doesn't require an adapter. The phone's vibration motors provides subtle haptic feedback, providing your experience interacting with the device more impressive. The Note 12 Pro display is remarkable, with a 6.67-inch OLED panel and a resolution of 1080 by 2400. The screen's vibrant color and excellent contrast make it perfect for watching events, playing games, or scrolling through social media. The whole punch camera is put to good use. Taking selfies and using face unlock to 120Hz refresh rate is a fantastic bonus, with the option to adjust the refresh rate manually or to set it automatically. Switch between 60Hz and 120Hz depending on your activity. While the 50-megapixel snapper isn't as impressive as the 200-megapixel main camera of the Redmi Note 12 series, the Note 12 Pro rear camera is still worth mentioning. It features 8-megapixel ultra-wide and 2-megapixel micro lens and produces decent pictures even in low light conditions. Additionally, the 16-megapixel front-facing camera takes solid selfies with great details and exposure.